In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for TurboTax updates. Keeping TurboTax up to date is important because updates can include bug fixes, performance improvements, and changes related to the latest tax rules and forms. The good news is that the process is very simple, and what you do depends on whether you're using the desktop version or the online version. If you're using TurboTax Desktop, start by opening the program on your computer and making sure it's fully loaded. Once you're in the application, look at the top menu bar. From there, select Online. A drop-down menu will appear, and in that menu, click Check for Updates. At that point, TurboTax will begin looking for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen prompts to let the software download and install it. During this process, it's a good idea to keep the program open and avoid closing your computer until the update is finished. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few moments. After the update completes, TurboTax may ask you to restart the program. If it does, go ahead and do that so the latest changes are fully applied. This helps make sure you're working with the most current version of the software before continuing with your tax return. If you're using TurboTax Online, the experience is even easier. You do not need to manually check for updates. TurboTax Online updates automatically in real time on Intuit servers. That means whenever you sign in and use the online version, you're already accessing the latest available version of the service. This automatic update process is especially helpful because it removes the need to manage software updates yourself. There is nothing extra you need to click, download, or install. As long as you're using TurboTax Online through your web browser, updates are handled for you behind the scenes. One helpful tip is to make sure your internet connection is stable, whether you're updating the desktop version or using the online version. A reliable connection helps prevent interruptions and ensures everything runs smoothly. And that's all there is to it. For TurboTax Desktop, go to the top menu, select Online, and click Check for Updates. For TurboTax Online, updates happen automatically